Good day, sir. I am Mark Larex Ilola, 20 years of age from Kantohan, Palumpon, Leyte, base INT 3A. Same-sex union should be legalized in our country. For me, same-sex union or marriage should not be legal in our country or nation because we do not have a law on same-sex marriage. In other countries, there is a law on same-sex marriage because of the people who made it. But for us, the God is the one we follow. Philippines is a Christian country. We follow the law of what God says because God created a man in his own image, and male is only designed for female and female only designed for men. Abortion should be legalized in our country. For me, abortion should not be legalized in our country because it is a crime. We have a law in our country because the child is inside the mother's womb is defenseless, innocent, because it's only a baby and a naive. Then abortion is a big sin, and if we do that, we against the law, and we against the law of what God says, because you took a life or you took an innocent life, and abortion is morally wrong, and that a fetus is a human life deserving of a protection. And that's all, sir. Thank you.